Hello everyone. Now chapter 2. Question 1. In question 1, question is add the following. It's quite easy question. So what you will do, you will find out its LCM. So LCM would be 7, LCM of the denominator 7 and 7. Now same procedure you will follow it, नीचे से divide, ऊपर से multiply. So 7 divided by 7 is 1 and multiply 1 with 2, you would be getting 2. Similarly, 7 divided by 7, 1, multiply it with 5, so you would be getting 5. So 2 plus 5 is 7, so 7 upon 7 you would be getting. Now cancel it, so the answer is 1. Similarly, in second part, again you would take the LCM. Here the LCM is 9. So नीचे से divide, ऊपर से multiply. So minus 5 plus 7. Minus 5 plus 7 is 2. 2 upon 9 is the answer. Now, fifth part. In fifth part, first you will write this term in the proper rational form. So it would be 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 5, that is 17, and minus sign is also there. So 17 by 6, and in the denominator minus sign is there, so you would be taking minus sign on the upper part. So it would be minus 13 upon 6. Now same procedure you will follow. Take its LCM, नीचे से divide, ऊपर से multiply. So it would be getting this. Now this is plus multiply minus, plus into minus, that would be minus. So open the bracket, minus 13 upon 6. Now solve it further. So it would be minus 30 upon 6, minus 17 minus 13. So it would be minus 30. Now cancel the terms. So you would be getting here 15. So the answer would be, cancel it, so 5. So answer would be minus 5. Similarly, in next part, again same procedure. Take its LCM. LCM would be 3. So नीचे से divide, ऊपर से multiply. Minus 21 plus 18. Now minus 21 plus 18 would be minus 3 upon 3. Cancel it. So the answer would be minus 1. Now question number 2. In question number 2, you have to find the value. Value means again you have to solve it. So the same procedure we will follow. Take its LCM. LCM will be 36. नीचे से divide. 36 upon 9, 4. 4 multiply 4, that would be 16, plus 36 divided by 4, 9. 9 multiply 7, that would be 63. Now next step, you have to add them together to get the answer. If you can cancel this term, then cancel it, otherwise this would be the final answer. In second part, the LCM would be 44, नीचे से divide 4, multiply with minus 7, so it would be minus 28, plus 44 divided by 4, 11, multiply with 1, so it would be 11 itself. Now solve it, so it would be minus 20, minus, what it should be, minus 28 plus 10, so it would be minus 17 upon 44. If possible, if you can cancel it, then cancel it further, otherwise this would be the final answer. Similarly, in fifth part, what should be the first step? The denominator is negative, so make it positive. So you would write it like this. So shift the negative sign on the upper part. So minus 3 upon 16. Now you will take the LCM. So LCM of 64 and 16. LCM of 64 and 16 would be 64. नीचे से डिवाइड ऊपर से मल्टीप्लाई. So minus 7 plus 64 divided by 16. So it would be 4. 4 multiply minus 3. So minus 12. Make sure about the sign also. Plus into minus would be minus. So minus 12 upon 64. Now solve it further. It would be minus 19 upon 64. So this would be the answer. Now similarly in sixth part, the LCM of 12 and 20. LCM of 12 and 20, it would be 60. 60 would be the LCM. So नीचे से divide ऊपर से multiply. 60 divided by 12. So it would be how much? 60 divided by 12. Okay. So in this part, the LCM of 12 and 20 would be 60. Now नीचे से divide, so you would be getting 60 divided by 12, that would be 5. Multiply it with upper 5, so it would be 25. Plus, now in the bracket 60 divided by 20, that would be 3. Multiply minus 9, so minus 27. Now next step, to open the bracket, plus into minus is minus, so minus 27 upon 60. Now solve it further, so minus 2 upon 60. Now cancel it. You would be getting minus 1 upon 30 as the answer. So wherever you can cancel, convert it in the standard form to get the answer. Now question 3. Question 3 type of questions are very important, in which you have to verify. Now the question is, verify x plus y equal y plus x. Now whenever verify question will be there, or verification or prove that, then always you will take LHS and RHS separately. So LHS and RHS. LHS means left hand side and RHS means right hand side. So here the LHS is x plus y. So here you will write x plus y, and RHS is y plus x, so here you will write y plus x. Now verify means you have to prove LHS should be equals to RHS. So instead of x you will substitute this value, that is 5 by 7. So 5 by 7 plus y value is minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. Now next step, same procedure. LCM is 14. So 10 plus, and in the bracket minus 21. So it would be 10 minus 21 upon 14. So this would be minus 11 upon 14. So this is LHS. Now come to the RHS. Let's see whether RHS and LHS are equal or not. Now here it is written y. So value of y you will take it first. So minus 3 by 2 plus x value in this question is 5 by 7. So instead of x you will take 5 by 7. Now same procedure you will follow it. Take its LCM. So LCM will be 14. So minus 21 plus 10. So solve it further. Minus 21 plus 10. What it should be? Minus 21 plus 10. So it would be minus 11 by 14. So what do you observe here? That LHS and RHS, both of them are equal. So therefore LHS equal RHS, since you have to verify, hence verified. Hence verified. So whenever the question is that you have to verify it, so take LHS and RHS separately, substitute the values of the variable over there, and both the sides should be equals to each other. Now similarly in this part, again you will take LHS and RHS separately. So let's take the LHS first. LHS here is x plus y, and RHS is y plus x according to the question. Now substitute the value. The value of x is minus 5 by 14 plus value of y is minus 1 by 21. Minus 1 by 21. Now what should be next step? That you have to take the LCM of 14 and 21. So it would be, what should be the LCM? The LCM would be 42. Now नीचे से divide. So it would come as 3 multiply minus 5, so minus 15 plus 42 divided by 21, so it would come as 2. So 2 multiply minus 1, minus 2. Now next step, open the bracket, minus 15 plus into minus is minus 2 upon 42. Now write it further, solve it further, minus 17 upon 42. So this is LHS. Now come to the RHS. Here in the RHS, y value is written first. So you would take y value first. So minus 1 by 21 plus, now you will take x value, that is minus 5 by 14. Now next step, take its LCM. So LCM would be 42. So here it would come minus 2 plus minus 15. Now next step, open the bracket, plus multiply minus is minus. So it would be minus 15 upon 42. So minus 17 upon 42. So what do you observe? Again you are getting LHS and RHS equal. So therefore LHS equal RHS, hence verified. So in these type of question, both the side value should be equal. It should come as equal, then only the verification would be there. Similarly in fourth part, again we will take LHS. As I have told it, LHS means right hand side and LHS means left hand side and RHS means right hand side. So in this question, LHS is x plus y and RHS is y plus x. Now again substitute the value. Instead of x, substitute its value, minus 8 plus y value is 9 by 2. Take its LCM, 2 would be LCM, नीचे से divide, ऊपर से multiply. So it would be minus 16 plus 9. So it would be minus 7 upon 2. Here y value would be written first and then you will write x value. Now take its LCM, नीचे से divide, and here while doing the division, here it is 1. Same way in this also it is 1. So नीचे से divide, ऊपर से multiply. Now open the bracket, 9 minus 16 upon 2. So it would be minus 7 by 2. Again if you will observe, LHS equal RHS. LHS equal RHS, hence verified. Hence verified. So I hope that these questions are clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.